Boosting your immunity through nutrition is a smart and effective way to help your body stay strong and fight off illnesses. Here are 6 superfoods known for their immune-boosting properties. 1. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits like oranges, grapefruits, lemons, and limes are rich in vitamin C, which is known to increase the production of white blood cells. These are key to fighting infections. Vitamin C is also thought to increase the production of antibodies, which are essential in combating various pathogens. Regular consumption of citrus fruits can help maintain overall immune function. 2. Garlic. Garlic contains compounds that help the immune system fight germs. It's known for its powerful anti-inflammatory and antiviral properties. Allicin, a sulfur-containing compound in garlic, boosts the disease fighting response of some types of white blood cells in the body. Garlic is also known to improve cardiovascular health, which indirectly supports the immune system by promoting better blood circulation. 3. Ginger. Ginger is another ingredient that can help decrease inflammation, which can help reduce a sore throat and inflammatory illnesses. Ginger may also help decrease nausea. It contains gingerol, which has been shown to have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. Additionally, ginger can help improve digestion and reduce chronic pain, contributing to overall health. 4. Spinach. Spinach is packed with numerous antioxidants and beta-carotene, which may increase the infection-fighting ability of our immune systems. It's also rich in vitamin C and numerous essential nutrients. Spinach retains more nutrients when it's cooked as little as possible, so steaming is a great way to consume it. The iron in spinach also supports healthy blood cells, enhancing immune function. 5. Almonds. Almonds are an excellent source of vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant. They also contain healthy fats, which are important for the absorption of vitamin E. A half-cup serving provides nearly 100% of the recommended daily amount. Almonds also provide a good amount of fiber and magnesium, which are beneficial for overall health and support the immune system. 6. Yogurt. Yogurt can be a great source of vitamin D, which helps regulate the immune system and boost our body's natural defenses against diseases. Look for yogurts that have live and active cultures printed on the label, as these cultures may stimulate your immune system to help fight diseases. Probiotics in yogurt also promote a healthy gut, which is crucial as a large part of the immune system is located in the gut. Incorporating these superfoods into your diet can help keep your immune system strong and healthy. Remember, a balanced diet, regular exercise, and adequate sleep are also crucial components of overall health and immunity.